Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how I make French vanilla cappuccino blackberry, but it's gonna be carbonated this time. First thing you gotta do is pour in this mix. Then after that, you pour in the water. Then after that, you stir it up with a spoon. Then, last but not least, you open up this can of blackberry carbonated water and you pour it into this cup. So let it settle. And here is your here's your carbonated French vanilla cappuccino blackberry. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching and have a great day, folks. Peace.